Hello, lovelies and friends. Welcome back to the mix. And on the mix, we have Maxine. Now, Maxine is saying that she's minding her own business and she don't have any time for anybody else's business right now. She's focusing on her business. But you know what her business is, right? Now, she's saying that to her platform people. She's telling them that, they're supposed to be very careful in what they type because she don't want to hear that they type something and somebody come out for them and they say that she didn't come and defend them. She said their backs has to be broad and they should be able to take the backlashes as much as other people on her platform are able to. So she's saying that, you know what, she don't want nobody to come out for her people and she don't defend them. So catch the video and remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel as always, and have yourselves a beautiful evening.
Listen to me. Listen to me. You see over here so right now, when you don't hear me attack for me business, people business no matter to me. I don't care what they got around the whole of the world. I don't care. Maxine don't care. Me they focus on for me business right here so right now. When me done, me we have one for say. When me done, me we talk about that. When me done.
Lord, that's why I'm grateful. I am free indeed. Lord, you know that Bradshaw hate Tina Chin. You know, I must say Bradshaw hate me. But guess what? There's a yes girl to Bradshaw. Lord, you must stop talking about people that send me out. Nobody now send me out. You know the truth. You know the truth. Why don't you come out and talk on cartoon situation? Why don't you come out and defend cartoon? No. But you want to come out and defend Bradshaw. When you can defend cartoon, then you can talk. When you can defend cartoon, you can talk. Cartoon come out and says, Lorraine, come clear the ear. Did you come and clear the ear? No. But you're going to talk about taking a dagger and you're going to do this and Lorraine, you stay on your life. I don't even know that you were on your life and I called my phone to disrespect me. Lorraine, who does that? You have your life and you call me. You need to pick up phone. I did not answer you, Lorraine. I saw when you were calling me. But I know you were on your life. I know you were on your life. And you take your life to call me and then send a voice note to my phone. How rude is that, Laura? How rude is that? No, you're rude, you know. You're rude if you stop it. All right, guys. I am not a person send out voice note. I don't do that. All right. All right, okay? Friday, I call Lorraine. I call Lorraine on Friday. Okay, see here? For 18 minutes, I call Lerner.
Hey.
I said, Lerner, happy birthday. That's what I call Lorraine said. I said, happy birthday. And I want to clear the air. I said, Lorraine, I did not say to Maxine.
Well, good morning, everyone. Good morning, good morning, good morning. See the nice little part here, what me have to tape. See the nice little part here, what me have to tape. See my name, they come out here now. See my name, they come here now. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. That's why I tell you, say no type on my platform, because when you type on my platform, then coming after you. They must screenshot you and then will be coming after you. And poor look me can't defend you. Me can't ever defend myself much more for defend you. So if you back no brother coffee Barbie shot and laugh at me and Rebecca and so, please no type because then go come for and me can't help you. And me no want to go here so come out and talk on my platform and me no come back for come help you. You understand? My back name big enough to tackle nobody when Sophia come over come defend me. My back name big enough. My back is not big enough. I hold it for them. All me know if you do is light one little paper. That's it. Alright, so make me go down on this now, go tape what they go on here, so.
You must burn your grandson. She said, she believe it. We said, Lorraine, did you go watch my show? I said, Lorraine, please go and watch my live. I saw Maxine doing some content. Bradshaw. And when Michelle Bradshaw happy, Michelle Bradshaw, are your mother? Are your mother? After Michelle Bradshaw go on that V-man thing, you understand? She's gonna class me up. I'm gonna do this girl nothing. Everybody that goes around you, this girl get jealous. Lorraine, after 2020, me I follow you. Lorraine, if you're looking at my phone, how many blocks me get for you because of Planka? We are also Planka for you. We are defend you. So what if you come and defend more Chris and whatever, and young Chris never have nothing, and Chris never do you nothing? You want to go beg friend with Baker boy? Run along.
Sophie, you look nice.
Baker boy?
You looking nice though, Sophie.
You don't want a friend anywhere around you. You understand? If you want to beg friend with V-man, run along. Run along. Me, real. We cuss you all we are supporter and Facebook. We cuss out Planka for you. You not do it on your own. You have the supporters to back you. Why we have supporters on Facebook? Why we have supporters on Facebook? When I want the wrong, I want the cuss out one day, I want the cuss out one day. We have supporters to back us. We have supporters that love us. We have supporters, it's not for us. You understand? And you have some supporter, they are all purpose. They cuss anybody.
All
They hate
purpose.
you today, they love you tomorrow.
Mhm.
They hate you today, they love you tomorrow. You understand? Lord, don't read. She go on her live, guys, and she send this message. I said, oh, you can play. Oh, listen. Lord, you go on your live and feel so you can come disrespect me on your live. Yeah, she said me on her live now. Listen. You see this live here? Upon her live, you know, she sent me a message here, you know. You see the disrespect? Because our mother sent her off to Sophie. Our mother sent her off to Sophie. Listen. Sophie, play this by your eyes stuck on. Yes. Sophie, don't do it. What me do? Sophie, me have a problem with you. I do have a problem with me. Sophie, don't trouble. What kind of problem you have with you? What kind of problem? Jesus, I won't play. Shut up. Shut up. Sophie, don't play with me. What me do you? Sophie, I don't trouble you. What me do you? When you go with put a boy, it's not a part. I am not. I am not. You put a long time from Rory and I don't want. What do you mean? Me on my platform from 2010. Me pull you back home. You put me for us Christian. Disrespect me, yes. Sophie, don't. Sophie, I'm gonna do something on a put it in another way, yeah? What? What me do you? What me do you, my mother? What me do you? What me do you? Who are you? What you can do? What me do? When me do, Lord. What me do? When you come out and you want content, go shut your ass. When you come there, very big. Only a store there. You can't tell me what to do. You can't tell me what to do. You can't tell me what to do. You're not build me. You're not build me. You're not build me. Platform build me. You're not build me. You're not build me. You're not build me, Laurie. You're not build me. You're not build me, Kathy. You don't serve God. You serve the devil. You're the devil yourself. You're the devil yourself. Alright, guys. Where you get from that? She's up on our platform. And she a one. In her show, she called me on her platform. You know what? I should have the answer it, you know. But you know what a God said? You answer it. She up on her platform and he might curse me. And she go like she big. Now I call her now. And she called me on her platform. The same vice was on her platform. And she sent it to my phone. When she called me, I never answer. You know why I never answer Lorna? Me and Lorna talk Friday. I say happy birthday, Lorna. Happy birthday. And we were all talking. We not talk about nobody. We say happy birthday. All me have to tell her, I say, Lorraine, go watch the show what I did with Maxine. Go and watch it and stop taking wrong information. I did not say that. You understand? I will talk for 18 minutes. I say happy birthday. Believe it like that. You understand? Saturday morning, Michelle, they call me name and I cuss me over
And what could have
me put it
caused
out there
this?
and say, I, Sophie Dunkley, no longer have talked to. Nothing wrong with it. What you have vomit for? You know, say me not accepted. You know, say me are no part. Something wrong with you. You not accept it. You not accept it and move on. Where you want me? You miss me? You miss me? I'm here alone, man. They said if you go cost Chris, you cost Chris for your own gain and for building a platform. They're going to take it, tell me, oh, they come cost Chris. And Chris never do me nothing. You're too bad, man. You're too bad, man. Stop it. Me cost people for you too. Listen, did Blanca do me nothing? No. Did Blanca do me nothing? No. But guess what? Me cost Blanca for you. So me cost Blanca for you too. And you leave me and me cost Blanca. Blanca, if me cost you, me sorry.
Yeah.
Blanca, if me cost you, me sorry because I was a part of the support team. Yeah, me a support. Lorraine, yes. And Blanca, if me cost you, I am sorry from the bottom of my heart. Yes. Because Blanca never do it.
Backside.
So that's what you say. Yeah,
Donna get apology.
Blanca never do me nothing neither.
Donna
Because
get
guess what?
apology.
We are rolled together.
Make
And
me
we
so
are
much
cheering.
apology they fly out today.
We are cheering on your platform. Supporters is a part of it as well. Every supporter, some of them have a Blanca, some of them have a Curly, some of them supporter all over. But when you go come out and talk about you cause Chris for me and Chris not do you nothing, you do it for your own cause.
Me have to go light some fire, you know.
Again, you understand? You don't do it for me, you do it for get views. You understand? No, you come talk with your cause Chris to me. Your cause Chris to me.
And what could have caused this?
Everybody
And the fire?
Everybody. Everybody cause everybody for everybody. And thank you, Marcia Curly. Big up. You never have to do it. And you come in and you put yourself in. You understand? You put it out. And I send me letter to Curly and say, Curly, put out that. Maybe because we never said it to you, maybe you're vexed. You didn't want me to send the information, everything to you. I didn't send it to you. I didn't send it to you. You understand? I sent it to Marcia Campbell and I sent it to Tina Chin. Yes. I make me telling her straight. Me never get fired from the job. Me left the job. Me left it.
What?
Me left it.
What?